Schooling Juniors. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, light orange color, dark green color, light green color, black color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color, purple color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Star. Heart. Circle. Pentagon. Triangle. Sky blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Light green color. Red color. Star, heart. Circle, pentagon, triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.